Hey, hi, Professor. I'm Lakshmasai, and I'm actually at the class of the biology of human health. And I'm going to talk to you about the project that I have been done for this assignment, which is make a tutorial video of mitosis and meiosis. So I'll make a little bit presentation, kind of presentation over here. Hope it's gonna be okay. Um, Give me a second. Maybe it's gone. Yeah. So then after, here we go. Sorry, okay, Professor, there's a little bit noise over here. I can't make it inside service. And here we go. Okay. So at first we have the mitosis versus the meiosis. So basically the mitosis and meiosis are the cell division, which can be explained like as the divine into the world of cell division, and we all explore the mitosis and meiosis. So these processes are crucial for life as well, and learning how they work and their roles in the growth, repair, and reproduction as well. So this is just a project format, and I'm Lakshmi Sai, this is presented by me. And going for the next slide. So here as the mitosis creating identical cells like us. So there are two main processes for that one, but the first one is the purpose. What the purpose of the mitosis? And the purpose of the mitosis is like as this, the mitosis make identical daughter cells, and it's used for the growth and repair in somatic cells. So it's like as they have the itself used for the growth, repair, maintenance, and that's it. And the process is like as a single cell divides once. So this create two identical daughter cells, and the first one is one division, the second one is the initial cells, and the third one is the eight chromosomes. So these are the process, and the previous one is the purpose. So purpose is to be growth, repair, and maintenance, and while the process is gonna be the one division, identical cells, and eight chromosomes. So going to the next slides, and it's like as this: the mitosis, phases, and metaphase. The mitosis, prophase, and then metaphase. So going through the prophase, its chromatin content in the chromosomes, the nuclear member breakdowns. So like as then when it goes to the upward, the movement, the content of the that the slide gonna be a membrane gonna be just to break it down, and going for the metaphase. So chromosomes line up in the middle, and spindle fluids attached to the chromocytes. So like as then metaphase go from the bottom to the downsward, then the metaphase goes from the attach the file end to it, and it's go from the middle of the way. So it's like that one. And the next one is mitosis, anaphase, and the telophase. So there are four phases total. One is prophase, metaphase, the third one is anaphase, and the fourth one is telophase. So I talk about the two phase. Which one is I talk about the prophase and the metaphase. And so this one I'm talking about the anaphase and the telophase. So in anaphase, there is the sister chromatids are pulled apart. They move to opposite poles. So it means like that the male pole attract to the opposite pole. It's gonna be a female pole. If the female pole attract to the opposite pole, it's gonna be a male pole. So it's like an NFH. It's just the part of the part of the people attract to each other. It's like a that one. So and the other one is telophase, so which is new alkyl membranes from cycotinous divide the cell. So like the cycotinous divide the cell by each other, then like the same one, but yeah, that is with that is. And the other one is meiosis. Meiosis. So it's like creating a unique gametes, and so it has also the purpose and the process as well. So going for this purpose, there are the messages create unique gametes. So these are like the sperm and the egg cells as well. So going for the process of this one, it's like the cell sexual reproduction, genetic variation, and haploid cells. So it's like the sexual production, sexual reproduction, genetic variation, and haploid cells. And the process for meiosis is two division, unique cells, and the 14 chromosomes. So but in mitosis, there are 8 chromosomes, right? But in the meiosis, there are 14 chromosomes. So there are vast difference between the mitosis and meiosis as well. So, and going for the meiosis, there are the phases of there are maybe four phases as well. So they must same one, the like the prophase, metaphase, then after anaphase and the telophase as well. So going for the prophase, let me give me a second. And so going for the prophase, it's like the prophase chromosomes contains and pair of crossing over occurs. So prophase is like as the chromosomes are pair up and coming occurs. They just come randomly in the occurs, and they do take place where they want to be. So in the metaphase, there is a homogeneous pure line of splendor fibers attached. And sorry, I can't get more over here. And third one is the anaphase. So this like then homogeneous chromosome separate, sister chromosome stay together. So it like this, the homogeneous chromosomes are separated in this anaphase, but listen, the but sister chromosomes stay together. They're gonna be stay together. Only the homogeneous can be separate, And going for the telophase, there is a numerical member reforms. So in which the cells divide into hybrid cells. Cells divide into hybrid cells. But in the mitosis, there are going to be a cells division, hybrid cell only. But in this one, the cells divide into hybrid cells. So that's difference. And the meiosis is the second division is like as the first one is the paraphase, second one is the metaphase, and third one is the anaphase. So metaphase, second one is like as the similar to mitosis as well. Meiosis is similar to the metasis as well. So sister chromosomes are full apart. Four unique gametes are created. So it's like as that sister chromosomes are gonna be a part of each one of them, and they're gonna be separate in a gender are created, like as that one. And then after the final one is like as the mitosis and cancer. So as we need to talk about the cancer as well, so there are various of cancer out there, and like the cancer involves control division as well, and going for the mitosis dispute, mitosis regulation, which gonna be cause of them as well, and the checkpoint failed to stop exclusive division when the cancer gonna fail at. So like the mitosis and cancer, and how does it go for it, and how does it work? So like as that one, the cancer involves uncontrolled cell division. So actually cancer is very dangerous for human health or the animal or the mammals who gonna be for the living beings. So cancer is the for the living beings. And so cancer involves uncontrolled cell divisions, the first one. The second one gonna be a mutation disputes, mitosis regulations, and the third one is the checkpoint failed to stop exclusive division. So with the having of the cancer, you can have a disease like this one. So there we go. And then after the final one is the key takeaways. So here we talk about the mitosis, meiosis, and some of the point inclusion and bite recognition. And then after going for the key takeaways, we have the mitosis and meiosis. So mitosis like the growth and repair, and it is endothelial cells. And going for the meiosis is gonna be a sexual reproduction, unique unique gametes, and going for the cancer is gonna be uncontrolled mitosis. So this all that's the be. And thank you, Professor. It was great to be explain like this one. I didn't even know how was my how was my this one goes. And thank you for Professor. Um, and here we go. Thank you, Professor, and have a good one.